Good morning, everybody. It's Echolalia. I just woke up, as you can tell, and I just decided today that I really want to just talk to you guys and put on my nails and just gab and scoff and all those other things people do if they have social skills. If you want a tutorial on how I do my nails, I'm not going to do that for you, because if you do not know how to glue on nails and you do not know how to Google it to figure it out for yourself, I'm sorry, but there's probably not much I can do for you at this point. And if your response to that is anger at me and you think I'm being ableist or whatever, I think you should probably take a step back, take a deep breath, and maybe just look at your life and reprioritize why you feel all that vitriol targeted towards a drag queen. Anyways, let's just get started. I love nails. I hate wearing nails. It's just a sensory thing for me. I feel constantly at unrest. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. The main reason I'm putting on my nails today is because I'm going to be filming stuff for a Blackpink song cover video I'm doing, and I just really want to do those girls justice. We're in a state of emergency every time they perform. It's cunticlismic. Cunticlismic. See, look out. I do give them more than one thumbs up. Another reason is because right now I'm giving raw chicken drumstick, and I want to be giving raw chicken foot. I also am not a big fan of eating chicken. It feels like I'm chewing on silly bands. I don't need any more trauma in that regard at this point. Yeah, look out. Okay, cool. Perfect. If you saw someone on the street looking just like this, societal values. I am baptized in the Catholic Church. I don't go because they don't allow me to anymore. I'm on a list. It includes me and Sabrina Carpenter, Rebel Wilson. Okay. Looking so cute. But I think we're in good company on that list. Although it's a little unfortunate, because isn't that a big part of Christianity in general? Wasn't that Jesus's whole deal is getting nailed? Because I'm not allowed inside anymore, I've just kind of had to resort to drinking blood and on my own time. I have to outsource it on Etsy. It's a whole thing. Or sometimes you're ordering O negative, which is the good shit, and they send you AB, and it's just what is this bullshit? Who do they think I am? Sometimes you just have to do what you have to do to drink the blood that you need to drink. And I'm not gonna apologize for that. This is my truth of my journey. Etsy needs to get its shit together and stop with the bullshit. I'm over the bullshit. I'm over the drama. I'm not here to make friends. I just want to order my blood and drink it. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we have one hand done. And now a word from our sponsor.
We like to floss here. We like to floss. We like to floss here. We like to floss. I'm not a dentist, but I'm dating a dentist. I'm not a dentist, but I'm dating a dentist. Floss your bits. G-string. Teeth clean. G-string. Teeth clean. G-string. Teeth clean. G-string. Teeth clean. This message was brought to you by the National Floss Coalition of America.
Okay, now we're back. Thank you so much for that sponsor for sponsoring this video. I love you so much for sponsoring this video. It makes me feel so great. So great. Anyways, now we're off. This is the hand I write with, and it's also the hand I commit acts of grand larceny with. I exclusively target lemonade stands because those bitch-ass punk kids going crazy with that inflation honestly eats the rich. When I was a kid, It was 25 cents for a cup, maybe 50 cents. Maybe 50 cents if it was like freshly squeezed. They're charging $1, $2, $3 and they expect me to pay that. Like, I'm sorry, but you don't even have like your health health inspection like rating posted. For all I know, I could be like eating at a B establishment, and I only eat at a B rated establishment if it's a Mexican place, because that's how you know that shit's good. And like, you are not Lana Del Rey. People, for some reason on the internet, have conflated like being like criticizing as being like realistic, because it means you're not getting paid off by a company, but you can still have ulterior motives with whatever reviews you are doing. Easy peasy beautiful cover girl. Welcome to capitalism. This is America. If you're watching this from America, if you're not, you're a victim of capitalism, most likely as well. Companies are not your friends. All I want to do is swipe away. And I do. But we're having fun here. That's what we do. We just have fun here. Like, that's what we're doing. We're having fun. We're being relatable. I feel like I've not been relatable enough, probably because I don't relate well to most other people. Again, I have poor social skills. But I recently discovered like a small influencer who I think is really going places. I don't know if you've heard of like Emma Chamberlain. I will not be talking about gross things because my body physically just does not do any of those like things that that seem relatable. I think that has to mean something for like at least some of you. And as for me personally, when I was in middle school for PE, we had to do baseball, and I'm so bad. Well, I'm good at catching in baseball. I'm not good at pitching. I'm no sexuality. I just like, I don't know. And I do have good coordination. Like I'm very coordinated. Just something with them. I couldn't deal. I didn't like it. Anna Wintour. Okay, they're not straight whatsoever, but it doesn't matter because I'm not doing ASMR content with this. There it goes. Thank you so much, my fans. Thank you so much for being my fans. And I want to start my own cult to rival. It's never gonna rival the Beehive. I'm not gonna rival Swifties. And K-pop stands are like way out of the question. Maybe like Madison Beer fans. I could get on the level of Madison Beer. I see that for myself. What are they called? Alcoholics?